Back with our Grow Small account to 10K challenge, day 2 and day 3. We tried to get our charts to work for you guys the entire time, but it was a little technical difficulties. So here we go. We're looking at IWM. We decided to get in a 199 put, if I'm not mistaken. Right here at $55. We got in this put. And the chart should show you at first what got us to get into the put. We were selling off really fast as soon as the market opened. And so I knew that we would probably be touching the lows, breaking the lows of yesterday. So we jumped in. Everything was going fine at first. And then we began to pull back a little bit and got some momentum. So the volume picked up and actually flipped our trade a little bit. So instead of us being positive, we went negative pretty far on this one. Let's see, this was Thursday, so yeah, it started off pretty good. You can see we were in the positive. It started to run a little bit. I think the furthest we got up in the positive was like maybe $4, maybe 7%, something like that. And then it totally flipped. So when it flipped, it ran to the other side. There was some momentum. The buyer stepped in. They pushed it up. So when they pushed it up, it kind of invalidated the trade, but I knew that it would sell off. So instead of fighting it, I just held it, didn't worry about the position, didn't take another trade. I just waited on them to run up as far as they could, come back down. As you can see, we held it until it came back positive. We only were 3% on Thursday, which is okay because we're still not in a negative. That's still a winning trade, even though it's only up by $2. So that's what happened on Thursday. We're okay with that. It happens. You don't win every trade. On Friday, we jumped in an IWM put again. IWM is in this range. So with that range, you could kind of almost take the same trades every day. As you can see, we got in a 199 put again at $55. However, this one, we got in at the right time. She sold off. You can see here we were at 32% profit. I was going to take profit, but I knew it would sell off a little more. So we held it a little. 50% profit is what we finished with yesterday, which was pretty good. So another green day. I think that gives us 3 days. Well, 2 days. No, yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that gives us 3 days of green in a row. And like I said, you will have losses. It's just we always try to make sure they're smaller than the gains. And that's what keeps you from blowing your account, and being able to trade successfully. On Friday, we also saw Costco selling off by like $74. So we jumped in a Costco put. We're up 98% as of now, and we have it until next week.